Hey guys, today I'm going to share my mashed potatoes recipe with you. You'll need a bag of russet potatoes. Start by washing them and getting all the dirt off. Then take a peeler and peel off some of the skin. If you like more skin, then don't peel off too much. Otherwise, if you don't like the skin at all, then peel them all off. Go ahead and give them another rinse after they're peeled. Then cut each of them into smaller pieces so they'll cook faster. And put them all into the pot. Put some water into the pot of potatoes and boil them at high heat. Be sure to have a colander ready in the sink for the potatoes. Once the potatoes are soft, turn off the heat and pour out the water. Be very careful not to burn yourself. Once that's done, transfer the potatoes into a big mixing bowl. Take a potato smasher and start smashing the potatoes into smaller pieces. Then after that, you can add all your ingredients at once or one by one like this. Add 2 sticks of butter, salted or non-salted, whichever you prefer. Then add 1 pack of cream cheese, one and a half cup of sour cream, a quarter cup of milk, and then some garlic salt to your taste. Now this is optional, but you could add some black pepper and then just add a little bit more salt to your taste. Mix everything together until you are satisfied with the taste and the texture. Some people like it chunkier or creamy. Just play around with the ingredients until it's to your liking. If you haven't checked out my meatloaf recipe yet, please do. It goes great with these mashed potatoes. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Good luck, you guys!